Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this really cool 1967 Nova SS. This is a real Nova SS, and we can tell by the VIN number. If you decode it, the SS has a unique second and third number in the VIN. This car is being sold by the estate of the former owner. He absolutely loved this car, and there's piles of receipts in the trunk that show that he lavished attention on this car. It's a super cool car. It's a 327 with a 4-speed. It's all factory original according to what I can see. It has original style manifolds. It's clean as a pin. The heat is not connected. Windshield wipers do work. They're no arms, but they do work. It's all absolutely clean as a pin. There's a battery disconnect here. Very nice condition. See, it's the motor, according to the receipts, was built in 2004 and has probably less than 1,000 miles on it since. So it's basically like brand new. And it runs great, has a pretty healthy cam in it, feels like. Paint is very good. It's a fiberglass hood, which fits very well. It's hinged. A lot of the fiberglass hoods you just carry off, but the wipers do work, but the arms are not with the car. The paint quality is excellent. It has this steel, or I should say aluminum drag type wheels, which are kind of appropriate. You can see it's rust free. And here's all the receipts. I mean, tons of detailed receipts. So it has front power disc brakes. It's dual circuit brakes. Has the cowl intake there. Interior is spotless. New upholstery. The floor console has the auxiliary gauges. SS wheel. Seat belts, carpets are new. Upholstery's new, stuffing's new. They just didn't put new covers on it. The seats themselves are also rebuilt. So underneath it's clean as a pin as well. New exhaust. Lots of new parts and pieces, all in excellent shape. Front disc brakes. Let's take a look at the back. I assume there are drums in back. So we're going to go for a quick ride. This thing's a little cold-blooded. Doesn't really smooth out until it's fully warmed. So it's a nice, so it's a 4-speed. So we'll go for a quick drive. Hard to get out here. Shifts easily. Feels like a pretty low rear gear. Car drives out good. Tires might be a little old. I feel flat spot in the rear. Other than that, it drives beautiful. Yeah, it drives out really nice. Gauges work. These gauges work. Steering is really good. There's no slop or no play. Brakes are good, nice and straight. Out nice. It's a beast. The motor feels nice and cammy. Has a lot of power. It drives really nice, very smooth. And the gauges all work. Very nice. So we'll get out from behind this. To drive and with one hand. Blinkers work. Clutch feels really good and really strong, no clatter. Runs nice and cool. And now idle's pretty nice and smooth. Just needs to get, warmed up. So as soon as we get out of here, we'll get back and so anyway, I think you're probably bored to death as I am. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a great car, drives out great. Unfortunately, Laguna traffic is not easy.